Hi, I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and today I'm just going to talk to you about the 12 volt converter that you can use with your BMC Luna G3 auto CPAP machine to make sure that you get power to your CPAP machine while you're traveling out about, in a car, in a truck, whatever you can use to get a 12 volt conversion. This cord is perfect for you. This is the 12 volt kit for our Luna G3 auto CPAP device. The perfect power cable for when you're out on the road and don't have access to your home power. To use the 12 volt kit, take your adapter and Luna G3 to your relevant 12 volt vehicle or device. With your vehicle or device on, plug the cable into the 12 volt port. The light on the power pack of the adapter will then turn on. Make sure it is green to ensure power is coming through correctly. Plug the other end of the adapter into the back of your Luna G3 device. Your Luna G3 CPAP will now have power. You can also get 12 volt kits for the BMC M1 Mini. And there you have it. The 12 volt converter is perfect for anyone who's out on the move all the time to make sure that you get power to your CPAP machine so that you get the night's sleep that you deserve. I hope this video has been insightful. Make sure you subscribe below to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Have a great sleep.